Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are safe and fine. I, Christina Nicholas, today I will teach you value education. Chapter number 5, Time is Precious. So, students, what is the meaning of precious? Precious means very important. Make good use of your time. Don't waste it. So we should not waste time because time is precious. There is a Christmas party in your colony. You are busy playing. You get late for the party. Santa gives gifts to the children and goes away. You miss Santa and the gift. How do you feel? Now children, in your colony there is Christmas party and what you are doing? You are busy in playing games. Santa comes and give gifts to other children and you missed it. And how you will feel? You will feel sad. Very good. So here is a short story. Let us read. Read this story to know what happens with Jimmy when he is late to school. Jimmy has a school picnic. The next day, he does not pack his picnic bag. He plays video games till late at night. Wow! I have won one more game. What Jimmy is doing, student, here? Jimmy is playing video game. Okay, now Jimmy has a school picnic next day, but he is playing games. And what he is doing? He is wasting time by playing video games till late at night. He forgets he needs to pack his bag for picnic. Jimmy wakes up late. He gets ready. He packs his bag. I hope I don't miss the bus. Next day, Jimmy wakes up late at night. He gets ready and try to pack all stuff in bag for school picnic. Now what he is doing? He is packing his bag for picnic. Jimmy gets late. Mummy tells him to hurry up. Jimmy, you are getting late. You will miss the picnic. I told you to sleep early last night. Now, Jimmy's mother tells Jimmy to hurry up as he gets late and he will miss the school picnic. Jimmy reaches school with Ramu Kaka. The bus has left. Jimmy goes to the guard. Jimmy, you are late again. The bus has just left. Now Jimmy left home and reaches to school with Ramu Kaka. Jimmy goes to school guard and he is informed to Jimmy that he got late for picnic and bus for school picnic has left. Jimmy starts crying. How will he go for the picnic now? He has to go back home with Ramu Kaka. Jimmy Baba, don't cry. Just be careful next time. With sad face and sorrow, Jimmy comes back home with crying face. Ramu Kaka tells Jimmy Baba to be careful next time and do all things before time. Jimmy reaches home. He is very sad. Mummy, today I have learnt a lesson. I will never be late again. When Jimmy reaches home, he tells his mummy he got late today for school picnic and he missed the school picnic. And he learnt a lesson today that he will do all things on time and never be late. So here students, we have finished our lesson that we should do our works on time because time is very precious, very important in our life. Question time. Write yes or no. First, Jimmy sleeps late. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. He wakes up early. Yes or no? He wakes up early or late? No. Very good. He misses his school picnic. Yes or no, students? Yes. He does his work on time. Jimmy does his work on time. Yes or no? No. He promised never to be late again. Yes, he promised that he will never be late again. Time to think. Now student, here is a short poem. Read the poem. Wake up, Jimmy. Wake up, Jimmy. Come out and see. The sun is shining bright with glee. Leave your bed. Look at the time. Don't be lazy. Rise and shine. Now here is a short poem about Jimmy. Means wake up, Jimmy. Wake up, Jimmy. Come out and see. Now the poem is telling that wake up, Jimmy. Come out and see, the sun is shining very brightly. Leave your bed. Now you have to leave your bed. Look at the time. Now look at the time. Don't be lazy. Sometimes we are very lazy. Rise and shine. So get up and come out from your bed and be rise and shine. Means you should be happy. Don't be lazy like Jimmy. You waste time when you are lazy. Do your homework on time. Use your time well. Then you will have lots of time to work and play. Discuss in class what will happen if you wake up late every morning. Time for a reality check. We trouble others when we don't do our work on time. For example, if the school bus driver doesn't come on time, you will get late for school. Circle the person who will be troubled in the given situation. Discuss why. Now the points are given with the options and we have to circle. First, the doctor comes very late to the hospital. So who will be in troubled? Patients or guard? Patients. Okay, now circle patients. Second, the teacher comes late to school. So who will be in trouble? Peon or students? Students. Very good. So circle students. Third, the delivery boy brings cake late to your birthday party. Who will be in trouble? Your friends or your principal? Your friends. So circle your friends. Fourth, your team loses a turn because you are late. So who will be in trouble? Umpire or team members? Team members. Very good. Now your time. Okay, now you have to tell the answer. What will you do in the given situation? Mark a tick. Now, if some situation has given to you, so what you will do? First, your grandmother gets a new video game for you. You have school the next day. What will you do? First option, play for some time and then go to sleep. You don't want to wake up late. Second, play the game at night and sleep late. Which is the correct situation? First box or second? Very good. First box. So tick mark on first box. Second, your friend has to pick you up for school. What will you do? Watch cartoons at night and don't be ready when your friend comes. Pack your bag and polish your shoes at night. Wake up early and get ready on time. So what you will do? You will watch cartoon till late at night or you will pack your bag and polish your shoes at night. B1. Very good. So tick mark on B. So I hope student you have understood this lesson. Thank you.